To perform first setup on Roborock S8, first of all, you will need to power on your robot. So it's pretty simple. You need to find the switch on the robot. I will show you it right now on the screen. Click and hold this switch for around 5 seconds until it's powered on. And after that, while it's powering, you can go and try to find the Roborock app that we'll be using for the setup. So open Google Play Store or App Store and find Roborock app right here. Make sure to open the app when it's downloaded and we can begin the setup. In case that your robot didn't power on, you may need to charge it, so manually place it into the charging station, connect the charging station to the power and wait around half an hour until it's a bit charged. Now let's continue through the setup. So we need to click on Add Device right here when we have our app ready, and then there's option to either scan a QR code or add our robot manually using the pairing method. But in this case we can go for the QR code. You can find a QR code when you open the hatch for your robot. It should be right here. So get your phone with the scan QR code method and scan it on the robot like that. Now we can continue and go into network setup. You need to click on the buttons in your robot. I will show you that as well actually. So let's grab our robot and then we need to click on the home button and this button together at the same time until we hear prompt. When you heard that prompt, you can take your robot back again and go into your phone. Click on confirmation right here and move to the next step. Then you need to connect your robot with the Wi-Fi network, and here you may need to enter a password for that network and make sure that your robot the Wi-Fi is 2.4G and not 5G, because for 5G network it won't connect. So here we have the 2.4G network. We can click on the next step and connect to the device Wi-Fi. Now we need to wait, and at some point you should see a prompt on the screen asking for a connection. Click on connect. So here we have it, the connection is done. We can click on enter device, and that way our robot is ready. You can read through the introduction if you've seen it, and that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.